Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we have this universal car alarm. This is from TECHNAXX, I believe hopefully I'm pronouncing this right, TECHNAXX XX, hopefully that's correct. I haven't opened up the box yet, so we're gonna do this together. I can see here it says designed in Germany, so hopefully that's a positive thing there. So this is supposed to be like an alarm slash, like you're able to use this even like without your car as well. So standalone as well. So we're gonna check that out after. So let's just actually go ahead and open up the box here. The box is a little bit beat up here. Okay, so let's see what we have inside here. So we got this kind of huge manual here. I'm assuming it's, yeah, it looks like it's multiple languages. Yeah, it even says here, so it's not gonna be that long. Here we have the external alarm, which you can mount inside your hood. So that's we're gonna check that out after. But the main thing here is this little piece here. And we do get a little remote to go ahead and turn on and off the alarm. So after charging the unit here, I had the chance to kind of go through the manual. So there are a few things just so you can know. So the USB type A here, it can output up to 2.4 like it says there. But the USB type C, 5 volts and 3 amps of power there as well. And the other thing to note is the remote. You kind of have to put the battery in there by yourself. It comes with the battery, which is nice. And to kind of get it open, all you want to do is just like kind of pry it open from this end here. So if you just go like so, here we are. Okay, so you notice there's one button hiding behind here. So that's for the pairing. You can pair up to 3 remotes with this too. And this is how the remote looks like here. So taking a look at the unit itself here, we have a white button there. That's the panic button. We're gonna press that after, and also we're gonna go ahead and measure the dBs as well. And so looking at the side, we got a micro USB, which you can charge the unit. And here you will see a light, so a blue light meaning the unit is charging. When is there green light, the unit has been charged. If it's flashing red, that means it's running low on battery. So this has a 500 milliamp battery. They say it will last up to 7 days, but that's only if it's not like if the alarm is not being used. Because if the alarm is going off, obviously you're not gonna come close to the 7 days at all. And here we do have that's where the alarm is located, and like the speaker and all that. And here you can just put this on your car and you're kind of set. But the cool thing about this, you're able to kind of just use this standalone as well. So before we go ahead and check out how loud this thing is, we're just going to see how the remote kind of works. So if you have this plugged in your car, or you can just kind of leave it like this if it's charged up. If you need it, let's say you're placing this somewhere inside, and if you want to, like if someone opens the door for the alarm to go off, you can use it that way as well. So just turn it on, and then when I move, you'll hear the alarm go off. So let's just go ahead and turn it on. So right now I'm staying very still, and it's flashing red once in every few seconds. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make some movements here. And it is definitely loud. They say up to 105 dBs. We're gonna go ahead and measure that ourselves here just to see how loud it is. They say even the external is about like 105, and this is 105. I'm assuming the external is gonna be a little bit louder, but that's gonna be placed under the hood, so it's gonna be a little bit less there. So let's go ahead and measure how loud it is. We're gonna go ahead and use the panic button, and you can also see like how that works. So let's just go ahead and turn the meter on. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it to the max so we can see how much it goes. So it looks like it goes up to 103 here. That is pretty loud, actually. Like here I have it in like close to me. I was kind of finding it gimmicky when I watched the kind of like the video they had for this on Amazon. But you can definitely deter someone using the panic alarm here. So definitely useful to keep this in your bag, purse, whatever. Also, one thing to note is this does not come with a micro USB cable. You might have a few laying around, so you can charge it that way through the micro USB there. I wish they left the USB Type-C here to charge the unit. I don't know why they put a USB Type-C in the front to charge something, but they didn't let leave a USB Type-C to charge the unit itself here. That would have been much preferable. Also, I have the external alarm hooked up here as well. We're just gonna see how loud it goes with both going off. So let's go ahead and turn on the dB meter here. And probably I have it a little bit too close, so let's just put it a little bit further here and turn on the alarm. Okay, so my ears kind of hurt right now, and it went up to 115 dB altogether. Obviously, you're not gonna have both so close, but this is just to show you what it can do. This is gonna be under the hood, so obviously it's not gonna be as loud, but they do work as intended. I didn't have to do any connections or anything like that. Everything just worked. Yeah. Pretty much just connect this to the power and it's all set. No need to really do anything here. So that pretty much covers this whole video here. The unit itself works as intended. Also the panic button, I thought it was more gimmicky, but also it might actually be useful as well. One thing I didn't like is how the charger here is. It's like there's a micro USB here and then there's a Type-C. I don't know why they didn't just put a Type-C here to charge the unit itself. Would have made things more convenient. This way, like, you'll need a micro USB cable to charge the unit, so it's like more of a hassle there. But everything else works as intended. The motion detector, there is a little bit of a delay until it detects something. If you have any questions about this device, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer it, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.